about to have a visitor and haven't prepared anything? I'll show you how to make delicious cookies quickly. My name is Melly, and here we go. Prepare the oven to 160 degrees, because this recipe is really quick. You need a whole egg, 150 grams of flour, a sachet of baking powder, and finally 250 grams of nougat cream. So start. Mix everything together and knead into a firm mass. If you have a mixer, it's great. I don't have one and knead it with muscle power. You can also use milk cream instead of nougat cream. There is no right or wrong recipe, and you can change it as much as you like. Now form large balls as desired. I also like them with hazelnut, but you can use anything else. Now, place everything on the baking tray and into the oven. Depending on the oven, 10 to 15 minutes and you're done. How it smells. I like to make it with powdered sugar. Very tasty. Your family or friends will be delighted. Have fun baking them. See you in the next video.